Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. And listen, before we even get started in today's video, I gotta say shouts out to the Finesse gang, those who get here early. Subscribe, drop a like, finesse the bell, and leave a comment early on in the video, and you might see your name scrolling up and down the screen right here with me. Now, before the Finesse gang was up on the screen, I'm pretty sure you guys seen the thumbnail and you seen the big stack of boxes in the back. So once again today, we're gonna be unboxing some more dope shit. We got 3 early pickups, and actually, I guess I'll just go ahead and say it might be in the title, it might not, but I'm going to be giving away 2 pairs of early sneakers, and more details on that will be at the end of the video. So don't worry, trust me, it's in the big box on the bottom. You're gonna want to know what it is. Now, other than those early blessings for me and y'all, I actually got some stuff in the fan mail, in the P.O. box. I also got some vintage pickups as well as a couple sneaker pickups. One that I bought and one that was a gift. So we got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Yeah, about 7 new boxes of things to get into today. So listen, I had to go out earlier today, round to the P.O. box, pick up everything, take care of a few errands that I needed to run. So what I'm gonna do is, Finesse gang, I appreciate y'all. I try to, now I'm rambling once again to get a couple names up on the screen. Listen, if y'all are not part of Finesse gang, get a part of Finesse gang, and whenever I do a vlog, I try to make sure I get you up here with me, like I said before. Listen, I'm gonna go ahead, fast forward y'all to the quick montage, picking everything up, and then we'll come back to the studio. We'll be back here, and we'll be back with all these boxes. So just give it 1 second. We'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm overseas, I got all these dreams, I make them believe, jeez, yeah. Bitch from Belize, under the sheets, go to the club, we get it for free, but I own the clubs, that shit not for me, rather be working, rich and Millie, I got all these dreams, make them believe, gotta make them believe, she black when you make her like Maybelline, got a recipe, y'all niggas talk shit and stand next to me.
Okay. Alright, y'all, so we are back in the whip. Listen, packages have been secured. It is hot as I don't know what outside right now. It's like 85. Your boy is glistening a little bit, but we did get 2 packages, one right here, and then one I was actually expecting. This one I didn't even know it was in a P.O. box and almost got shipped back. But listen, I'm about to run to the bank real quick, but y'all don't really need to be concerned about all that. I will see y'all back at the studio. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. So, as I was saying, as the camera just readjusts, thank you. All the boxes we have are back here. Let me try to pick these up and get the thumbnail real quick. I think I'm gonna just drop everything, but hold on. So yes, this is everything we're getting into today. It is a lot of stuff, a lot of boxes, and I'm trying not to drop everything. So yes, this is everything we're getting into today. The boxes are about 4 feet tall, 4.5 feet tall boxes, and yeah, like I said, we got 7 boxes, 3 early pickups, some major heat on the way, but let me put all this stuff down because I feel like I'm gonna drop this shit. Hold on.
2,000 years later.
So let's just go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and take off this box right here. This was actually a piece of fan mail, and the homie sent this to me for free. He told me I didn't need to say his name. He just said, say a supporter sent it to me. So once again, I appreciate him. He ooped me something that I missed out on. It is a Travis Scott affiliated item. And a good amount of people were asking me on Twitter if I hit on it. I honestly forgot about the drop. I didn't even know it was really happening. And just like I need to go ahead and make sure I buy the Kid Cudi stuff. The Cactus Plant Kid Cudi merch is on kidcudi.com right now. I know the Kanye West stuff was out too, but I didn't like that as much, but I definitely need that Swim in the Light hoodie. It's fire. So inside this box, as you can see, it is wrapped up. The homie did wrap it up. Just put it in a bag, and it is one of the Travis Scott and New Era Houston Astros fitted. Now this is the black colorway, and the thing about fitteds is that you need the right size, and I was really fortunate for him to have a 7.5. I think I usually wear a 7.5 or whatever the size is right underneath of that. Let me just make sure. It's a little big, it's a little big. I'm gonna have to do some scrunching to make it work, but I should be able to we should hopefully be able to make it work. Regardless though, it's still some good details. You guys see the Houston Astros, the drawn on stars. "Wish You Were Here" embroidered in right there. So once again, thank you to the homie. That was a very, very big oop. All right, so next up in the stacks is a 700 box, but I'm gonna save that for 2 seconds so I can open up this other piece of fan mail right here. Now this is coming from J.A. First name starts with J, last name starts with an A. I don't want to put homie's full name out there just in case, and actually I don't even think I need, yeah, I don't even need a knife for this one. Just go ahead and pop this open and see exactly what is on the inside. Actually, I think homie sent me a message about this. Right here is the note that came with it. It says, "Hopefully I'll see us in this clothing haul. Enjoy the shirt." So what he does is he takes like old vintage pieces, or any piece maybe if you wanted to send him something. I'm not sure if he offers that, but he recreates it or adds something onto it and does a little bit of cut and sew work with it. He actually does have his own tag on the inside of this, and this is a vintage Stone Cold Steve Austin tee, as you guys can see on the front. It's like a crazy flannel t-shirt matchup, and honestly it's a little heavy. It might be a little hot, but I may be able to actually make this work for something in the water. And for those who have been asking, yes, I will be at something in the water. Was able to get those VIP tickets today, luckily. So if you see me out at something in the water, make sure to say what's good. But I think this will be dope with a pair of shoes that I was planning to wear. So a crazy all over cut and sew flannel slash t-shirt with the pocket on the bottom, and of course you got the big Stone Cold Steve Austin logo on the inside. This will definitely work with the off-white UNCs with that little bit of blue. The light blue from the denim and the flannel work come, it's like denim jeans stitched in down there if you guys can see it. So this is definitely different, man. It's definitely unique. So Jack, I appreciate you. Once again, brand is curated by, I'll leave his info down below. Now next up off the stack obviously is these Yeezy 700s. Now I'm gonna keep it all the way a buck, man. The only reason I got these is because this is my job, and my job is to bring y'all the reviews to see if y'all want to spend your money on it or if you're digging the shoe. Now this is the Yeezy Boost 700. This is the box that they came in. I actually took them out because I wanted to check them out, and it is this pair right here. I believe they released on the 27th, and that is the analog Yeezy 700. I know the camera might be blasting them out a little bit right now, so I'm gonna just give y'all a close-up look at the shoe itself. So here's the analog Yeezy 700 Blam. You guys can see some of the colors and what's going on with the shoe. I was actually surprised that the bottom is like a light gray. It almost looks kind of like a weird flat blue to the inside. You guys can see how this looks, and you know, although it is a very basic colorway, kind of reminds me of the Static 700 V2, I'm not really feeling these as much as the V2. I'd say that these are better than the Salts in my opinion, but other than that, I don't think they're gonna beat out any of the other colors of 700s. And all over cream, white, kind of really light gray color. On the upper of these, you still have the 3 stripes peeking through as always, but I will be getting more in depth into a deeper detail on these in the review. I'll be trying to make sure to get this out to you guys tomorrow, so you have a day or two to peep the review and to see if you're digging them or not. I know some people are gonna still really dig this very simplistic colorway, just like I dug the V2 Statics, but this 700 for me, it's not really doing this. So after I do the review, I will definitely be letting these go, and most likely be letting these go for under retail for anyone who needs a size 12. Not horrible, but not the best by any means. Now jumping back into the stack, I actually have this box right here. Now inside this box are pickups from Montreal. The last time I was at SneakerCon Montreal, I believe maybe that was end of 2017, maybe beginning of 2018. It was a while ago, and these shirts have been sitting at Tony's house forever. Now the one on the top I actually picked up yesterday, but these other two, I just put this in the box because all the other tees were in here, but all these other 3 are vintage ones that I picked up in Canada probably over a year ago. They just been sitting in a bag, sitting at Tony's house, and it finally just made its way back to my house. Now this first thing is just a t-shirt from Bronze, and this one isn't all over purple. It just has the Bronze logo on the front, and it's styled like the old, I believe it's NBA Jam logo on the front. So I just really dug how that looked. Now I'm gonna throw this over here, take this box, and we got 3 vintage tees that I got while I was out in Montreal in Canada. This Umbro one is definitely my favorite out of all of them, but whenever I go to a city, I try to grab a vintage piece for that city. And of course, since we are in Canada, Montreal, I went ahead and grabbed a vintage all over print hockey tee. This is a Montreal Canadiens tee. It's all over print. Actually, it's a one size fits all. So probably, yeah, XL to XX. So it does run a bit big, but I just really liked the colors. And it always is special to me when I actually get it from the place. So this is a Montreal Canadiens tee from Montreal, and that's how I do my souvenirs. My souvenirs are the dope shit I find from the city. So this is an all over red tee. Really like that one. Now I also got this one, and y'all gotta pardon me, bruh, because I'm pretty sure I looked it up, but at this point I've forgotten. But this is a vintage pro player tee. Once again, this is another hockey joint. This one right here is in really good condition, and I know the homie just ooped this to me for free. So once again, shouts out to him. I don't know if I ever shown it in a video, but bro, I still do have it. Looks like it says Redden. I'm not exactly sure of the team might be, but he had tossed it to me probably around the time that the event was ending. So boom, another vintage tee. And let me go ahead and get to this last one, because this last joint, when I bought this, I was thinking off-white Prestos, and y'all will get that as soon as you see it. Vintage Umbro tee. Now it says 1994, the year I was born, UEFA TM. So I'm assuming this is from 94, but the thing on the back is that it says official sponsor Euro 96 England, but it says 1994 down here. So I believe that this tee actually came from 96, and it's just copyrighted in 1994. So this shirt is 2 years younger than me. This shirt is 23 years old. That's crazy. Of course, Italian flags on the homie's face, all painted on Umbro. And then the back, you have this really big Umbro logo all over green, says official sponsor, and I love when it actually has the year on it. So this Umbro tee, bro, is fire. I mean, come on. This joint, gem in my opinion. And that's all tees. So now that leaves us with 3 boxes. I'm going to get into this one because it is not the one that I bought. This is the one that was actually sent to me. My knife, I don't know, where did my knife go? All right, we're back. I got it. So this one's actually from Puma. I believe I know what shoe they sent me in this box. And like I said, this one was just a gift, landed at my door. And as always, man, Puma, thank you, man. Been showing major love, and it's always a blessing to have something new hit the door. So if I flip this open, you do have the black Puma box. I believe it is a basketball model, and that's why I think I know which shoe this is, because the newest one, it's like that reverse Puma Spectra colorway on the Uproar joint. So before I look, the Uproar Hybrid Court Thunder, or I guess it was the Puma Thunder, not the Spectra. But yes, this is the Uproar. I've talked about this shoe before, and this one is in that all over kind of somewhat reversed Thunder colorway. Very loud, but this is probably my favorite colorway so far of this specific shoe. I don't know, I just like the yellow, I like the teal, like a little bit of red. It's a good mix of colors. It's good color blocking. But yes, once again, Puma, appreciate y'all. Puma Uproar Hybrid Thunder. It's a very long name, but appreciate them sending these drinks over to me. So that leaves us with 2 boxes. This one is from Reebok. This is a shoe that, I mean, based off of what I've seen, it was extremely limited. These actually dropped at midnight the day after I talked to them, or the night of when I talked about them, and I almost missed the drop. It was an expensive sneaker, but I thought it was different. I dug it, and I don't have many Reeboks in my collection, so I picked it up. This right here is the Misbehave Reebok Daytona. If y'all have been watching the Heater Hype Show, you guys should already know what's in this box. I got mine in a size 12. Daytona DMX Misbehave, and this is inside the box. You guys can peep the shoe. This is a very unique, very interesting pair of Reeboks. So here they are right here. They are very weird. You know what I mean? It's something very different. The zipper on the top, but this is the Misbehave and Reebok collaboration. I love the sole. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but there is like a purple iridescent hue on the bottom of the clear sole. Of course, it says Misbehave on the bottom for the name of the collab, or the brand collabing with Reebok. I love the gel pieces that kind of lift up off the side of the shoe right here. The sole is dope. It's just an interesting looking shoe, and I felt like if I didn't get them on the original release date, you know, those people that did have them were gonna try to charge higher for them than retail, and I didn't want to spend more than retail. I thought retail was already high enough. But the Reebok and Misbehave sneaker, zipper on the top, it's a lot. It's a lot going on. This is not a shoe for everyone. I don't even expect a lot of y'all out there to really dig these, but I thought they were different and not something that I'm gonna see everywhere on the net. So I went ahead and picked these up, and for when I saw, like I said, super super limited. And to go ahead and end this off, it is time to show y'all what I got for you. So in this box right here, I have to give a big shout out and a big thanks to the homies over at Champ Sports. Listen, it's a part of the rules, bro. Make sure you subscribe to me and Champ Sports. I will leave their YouTube page down below. But I'm letting y'all know right now, the post will be going up on Instagram, okay? So it will be on Instagram. But just wait on it. When I post it, you will know. If you enter the Concord giveaway last winter, it's going to be just like that, taking place on IG. So if you're not following, go do that. Yes, I was able to get 2 pairs. Yes, 2 pairs of Bred 4s going out for free $99. Straight to y'all. Like I said, the giveaway will be on IG, and just so y'all know, it's no capping. There's no capping, okay? There's no capping going on. My name's on the box. One of these was actually supposed to be for me, but since I already had my pair, I decided I'd just bless one of y'all, okay? Y'all see that, right? Okay, just making sure there's no capping going on. Bred 4, brand new for somebody. Another one, let me go ahead and take these out of the box. Yes, another pair, Bred 4s for free. I will be giving away 2 pairs of Bred 4s for free on IG. I'm sorry this last unboxing was very, very messy, but I just wanted to kind of let y'all know so you know where to be looking at, so you have a chance to win these for free. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Much love to all the fan followers and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah, blah, of course. I guess I'll grab Assault and I'll grab the Reeboks, Bullet RC, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. A lot of good shit, and like I said, 2 free pair of Bred 4s. Big thanks to Champ Sports once again for making this giveaway happen. It will be taking place on IG, so I will see y'all there when I post it. Y'all be easy. Drop a like on this video too. That's part of the contest. That's part of the giveaway. Drop a like. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
She get the best in me. She fuck me in public. That's my little free. Buy her everything. Back on my bully, no will the beast. Yeah. Feel like I fell from the stars. Yeah. Feel like I'm living no more.